This is a 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, and she is quite simply stunning. The silver blue metallic paint absolutely sparkles in the sunshine, and her chrome glints as you walk past. She is gorgeous. The interior is in excellent condition, with colour-coordinated metallic blue side trim, blue carpets and blue seats. The cockpit is just beautiful, and the clocks show just 54,035 miles. The 3.3 litre straight-six engine sounds fantastic and certainly has some poke. As you can see, all four corners are in excellent condition and the white wall tyres really set it off. Well, this takes me back to Route 66, which I did last year. Look at this. Should we take it for a ride? I think so. Look at this cockpit. Isn't this just beautiful? It just screams 50s, space age, American cafe, all of those genres, all at once. I am in love. Oh, it's a bit warm actually. We're bringing the sunshine vibes because we're in an American car. Howdy, ma'am. Oh, she's lovely. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in love already. Beautiful, beautiful car. Absolutely stunning. Come and live the American dream. I am. This immaculate California girl is available at Frank's Motor Company in Colchester. Come and visit us today and see her in all her glory. Or visit our website at www.franksmotorcompany.co.uk.